landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Please be informed that your arrival will be at Terminal 2. We are pleased to inform you that we have landed 18 minutes ahead of schedule. For your safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartment, and please ensure you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of Air Asia, Captain Ferdinand Lopez, First Officer Andrew Alejandro, First Officer Audrey Acosta, and the rest of the crew members, we would like to say thank you for flying with us. For passengers traveling with infants and were given infant life vests, please return them to the cabin crew upon deplaning. Thank you.